Hey, excuse me. Hey there. Is that a 49 Cadillac? Is that a 49? Yeah? Hey there. I was just asking about the Cadillac. Is it a 40? It's a 49, yeah? Do you mind if I take a look? Thank you. Oh, I've never seen this up close. I've only seen it in passing. Hey there. I was just seeing if I could take a look at the old Cadillac. Man, how long's this thing been sitting here?
Long time. Yeah, it's been a long time. I mean, as long as I've known them.
Yeah. Wow.
But I was just like, let my imagination wander just a minute ago about it.
I know, right? Oh, and look at that beautiful.
Like
Oh, wow. It's a lot of money.
oh, never mind that. It'd be so maddening. Can you imagine going down the street with this such a resort?
I would drive it the way it is, to be honest.
Don't run.
Oh, yeah.
It's been rebuilt one time.
It was rebuilt?
But it never run much after that.
How long,
Long ago. We've been here sitting a long time.
is it your car?
Huh?
Is it your car? Is it yours?
It bumped to my kid.
Oh, really? Wow. Well, what are you going to do with it?
Well, if you want, you leave me your number, and if he does something, we'll give you a call.
Okay, I can do that. Yeah, certainly.
Hey, Fred, thank you. We put over there, okay?
In your hand? Oh, you got it? Cool.
Yeah, flatten it out.
Wow, look at this Cadillac, 1949. And it even has fins. This is the beginning of the fins. Wow, look at it. Let's take a look at the registration if we can find it. What's that say? June. The tabs have moss growing on them. Pardon me, berries. I can't read it. '87 maybe? I don't know. Wow. I can't even read the year on the license plate tab. I can't even read the year on the tab. It's so faded. Wow. Oof. Wow, this would be a project. Oops. Yeah, take my number just in case you ever decide you want to get rid of it. I don't know what I would do with it, but try to sell it, or not sell it. I would never sell it. I would try to fix it and drive it. Wow, look at these bumpers. Beautiful. 1949 Cadillac. Now, I've lived here for almost 10 years, and I've seen this car in the neighborhood for about that long. So it's really, really special to be able to be up close and seeing it like this. So if you enjoy this 1949 Cadillac, it's been sitting for decades, make sure you like and subscribe. Because if I can ride, I'll be out looking for stuff like this, and I'm going to show it to you and share it. Thanks for watching.